help you better your business. You don't have to continue the same way forever and ever just because you feel like those types of opportunities aren't available for you. We want that to be available for you.
We have some really good professional development from some great speakers talking to us about building our businesses, how to resonate with clients.
One of our keynote speakers talked about typography and the use of your visual information on your logos.
So one thing that I recommend as you even prepare to grow is putting together a brand guidebook.
For me, I am all about connection. All about making sure that that person that you want to talk to is actually connecting with you. Because they will tell you what drew them to you. That is your selling point. That is what makes you the person for them.
It's connections. I think a lot of vendors really work together when they know somebody, so building that relationship is a great thing.
So we're not just sitting and learning, we're actually experiencing things and talking about things and interacting with each other. It's all about experience and getting to not just learn, but do what we learn and experience what we learn.